In Diablo 4, Occult Gems are a special type of gem that can be slotted into your gear to provide additional stats, buffs, or effects. These gems are introduced as part of the game's deep customization system for your character's gear, and they can help you fine-tune your build and enhance your gameplay. Here's a guide to understanding and using Occult Gems effectively. 1. What are Occult Gems? Occult Gems are a unique kind of gem that can be inserted into specific gear slots. Unlike regular gems, which enhance basic attributes like strength or intelligence, Occult Gems often provide more complex and powerful bonuses. These gems are tied to the Occultist feature, which becomes available later in the game. 2. How to obtain Occult Gems? Occult Gems can be acquired in several ways. 1. Occultist Vendor. After unlocking the Occultist in the game, you can visit them in town to purchase or craft Occult Gems. 2. Loot Drops. Occasionally, Occult Gems may drop as loot, especially from higher-tier enemies or specific events in the game. 3. Crafting. Using the Occultist, you may also be able to craft specific Occult Gems using materials and other gems as ingredients. 3. Where to slot Occult Gems? Occult Gems can typically be slotted into specific pieces of your gear, such as 1. Helmets. 2. Chest armor. 3. Weapons. 4. Rings, amulets. These gems may offer different benefits depending on the item type, so always check what type of bonus they offer for each piece of equipment. 4. Occult Gem Effects. The effects of Occult Gems can vary greatly, but some of the common effects you can expect include 1. Damage bonuses. Occult Gems can increase your overall damage output, often with specific buffs to certain damage types, like fire, cold, or poison damage. 2. Defensive buffs. Some gems may grant additional resistance to certain types of damage or increase your overall defense stats. 3. Utility enhancements. Certain gems provide effects like increased movement speed, resource generation, cooldown reductions, or even additional pet summons. 4. Conditional effects. Some gems work best under specific conditions, e.g., increase damage when you're below 50% health, or provide a buff when you're near other party members. 5. How to craft and upgrade Occult Gems. 1. Crafting Occult Gems. You can craft these gems using the Occultist. 1. The process often requires a combination of materials, other gems, and gold. 1. Crafting allows you to potentially tailor the gem's effects to fit your playstyle. 2. Upgrading gems. Some Occult Gems can be upgraded. 2. Higher-tier versions of the same gem will often increase their potency. 2. This can be done using special materials, such as rarer gems or crafting items.